Well, good morning. So right now we're at North Curl. Just before sunrise. It's got to be about 6:15 maybe. And you got to be careful here because these waves keep hitting the rocks and spoiling up my reflection pool. So I found this little pool here on the rock ledge, just using this rock ledge as a bit of a leading line here, and trying to catch a bit of sunrise. Sunrise is 6:30, so let's see what we get. It's really nice right now. There was a little bit of colour in this cloud earlier, so hopefully we got some of that. We've got some nice reflection of this. When this water's quite still, it's quite nice. You can see the reflection of the cloud. So let's see if we capture any of it. I think I'm shooting about a 20-second exposure right now. 25 actually, yeah. Okay, I'm down to 13 seconds, F10. What I've actually done is I've done a focus point just on the edge of the rock here, and then I've gone to manual focus. So the camera doesn't have to hunt, because if it doesn't have enough light, it'll look for a focus point, so it'll hunt. So I managed to get my focus point right here in front of me, switch to manual, take the shot. Okay, there it is. Let's see how that looks. So we're still, whoops, I almost slipped there. Still at North Curl, and sun is not yet up. I'll just show you that. Sorry, it's a bit all over the place. I'm carrying two tripods here. So just gonna take a walk along the rock ledge here. Last time I came here was really quite a high tide. Almost got washed inwards, not outwards. But you got to be careful here. There's some, just look at this, it's just absolutely beautiful. That's gorgeous. Let's see if we can get a shot of this. I'll just put you down here. So what we've done is we've just walked along the rock ledge here and found this gorgeous little pool. I'm going to see if we can get a shot of this. Maybe try and get down a little bit low. It's quite a nice shot. I just don't know if we have enough colour in the sky. Just want to position the camera, make sure it's level. Take my exposure back. I'm just looking at my histogram to make sure none of it's blown out, which it actually is. So let's just bring that back down. Okay, let's just try this. Use my remote to take the shot. And the little pool itself has got a couple of lines leading into it. Just looking absolutely gorgeous. It's amazing how these things just happen naturally. Okay. All right, let's see how that came out. Okay, so now we're going to take a walk along a little bit further along the ledge here at Curl. Because I was down here before, found a gorgeous spot down here. It's good that the tide's actually going out right now. We've got some fishermen on the rocks. It's really good. Gorgeous. I don't know if you can catch that on the GoPro, but here's another pool. Look at this. Let's just walk around here and check this one out. It doesn't really lend itself to a shot because of this ledge in front of it. But once again, there's just so many photo opportunities here. Now, let's just see what's happening down this end of town. Nice little horseshoe. Ooh. Okay, let's just go. One of the secrets is when you walk along the rock ledges, look where it's wet, because that's possibly where you're going to be getting wet if you stand right in front of it. Just a great spot. So I think we need to be kind of about here with that lovely sky. I'm going to put you here. So we just found this amazing little pool here with a rock in it. We've got some colour in the sky and we've got to move quickly because all of this is going to go very soon. Here we are. I'm at 16 millimeters. Again, what I'm going to do is go to autofocus and I'm going to focus right on the rock right in front of me here. Then we've got my focus point. I'm going to flick back to manual. Now again, what I'm going to do is take some darker exposures for the sky, particularly since the sky's got some colour in it right now. It's just looking gorgeous. I've got a graduated filter in there too, so I'm just going to... Oh yeah, we've got some lovely colour up there right now. Looking beautiful. And then what I'm also going to do is just take a lighter exposure, just in case, for this little pool in front of me with the rock in it. Because this sky is just amazing right now. Okay. So we've got a foreground shot here, just in case. We've got a distant shot right there, just in case. I reckon we'll do this in one shot, you know. Okay, let's see how it came out. Let's see if I can get around here without getting absolutely drenched. Okay. Amazing little place. And look at this sky next to us. This sky goes all the way around, right over the city. Amazing. Okay. Well, we just shot this place, so I'm just going to see if I can capitalize and find somewhere else whilst we're here. Beautiful. There's the other one again that I shot earlier. This is just looking beautiful. I don't know if we can get any reflections. Maybe we can. Let's just check this out. I'm going to put you here. Okay, camera's level. Just check my histogram. Excellent. Okay, get the remote control out. Gotta take the shot with that. Saves me from moving the camera. Take that shot. It's just, we've got some nice colour in the background. Got a nice little pool, some interest in the foreground. What I'm going to do is just get a shot, focus on those clouds way back there. Okay, I've got that. Okay, and now come back, manual focus, put my aperture back up to f10, check the histogram. Looking nice. But okay, let's see how that looks. We'll put it up. Now here we go, possibly the last shot for today. We've got this beautiful, what looks like a lenticular cloud sitting above the town. So we're going to try and just get a shot. So maybe we'll just back up a little. Get a shot of the swimming pool with all this lovely colour behind it. Check my histogram. Perfect. And we got some colour. My goodness. in the sky. Nice pinky colours. And it's a slightly longer shutter speed as well, so the pool is going to be very flat looking. I'm going to close down to f13, which gives me 5 seconds, and that'll be enough just to take the edge off the ripples. It just looks spectacular. Okay, well that's it for another day in North Corker. If you like the channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that stuff. And I'm going to grab a coffee now. It's time for coffee, and see you in the next one. All right, cheers.